Have you ever baked a cake and despite having the right ingredients and added them in the right order, the output was not desired? This may be because you didn't apply the ingredients at the right time and you didn't allocate the correct time to each task. Likewise, if you don't have the correct financial planning at a given time, it may impact on you and your loved ones. Hi, I'm Rita Verma, financial advisor based in the UK, here to support your financial planning. We as financial specialists act as a sat nav, getting you from A to B while saving you time, fuel and energy. Our life expectancy is approximately 80. So this can be divided across 4 quadrants, ranging from 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80. At each timescale, we have different goals and objectives. Now, age range between 0 to 20, we're generally playing and completing our education, funded by parents, guardians, and obviously our standard of living is maintained by our parents, guardians. Now, God forbid something happens to our loved ones is maintaining our standard of living, it may have an impact upon us. 20 to 40, we start becoming financially independent, have our first job, first proper job, get married, have a property, buy a car, have children, where responsibilities are increasing over time. 40 to 60, we start becoming great at our professions, possible promotions, bigger properties, enhancing a standard of living, second cars, possibly, and expensive holidays, and also providing support to our children. 60 to 80, we enter retirement, gift to help our loved ones go on expensive holidays, and then as time goes on, long-term care issues come into play, and then we start looking at ways we can start handing over our wealth for the benefit of our loved ones in the event of when we pass away. Financial planning is a process whereby we ensure you've got the right ingredients in the right order, used at the right time and for the right length of time as well, with the right combinations. There are various elements of financial planning, such as savings, investments, pension, protection, trust planning, income tax, capital gains tax, inheritance tax planning, wills, lasting power of attorneys, intergenerational wealth planning. The degree of relevance of all these key areas will be dependent on the client's circumstances, legislation, marketplace, client's goals and objectives. For example, protection acts as a shock absorber, generates cash in the desired form, whether it's income or capital, at a time when it's most required to help you or your loved ones maintain their standard of living. Investment planning ensures your monies are invested in areas with maximum growth potential to ensure you can fulfill your future desires. Protects it from inflation, takes advantage of different asset classes which are not directly correlated, and I'll explain this in a separate video. You can also take advantage of various tax planning strategies. Financial planning is necessary if you want a smooth journey. Now, when you use your car, you need to have the correct fuel, water, it needs to be serviced, it needs to be taxed and insured to get you from A to B. Likewise, if you don't have the correct mix of financial planning, it will affect you or your loved ones' goals and objectives. Just a food for thought, how is your financial journey planned? What obstacles could potentially come your way? Are you maximising on different strategies? Seek financial advice to ensure you're on a smoother journey.